Hello and welcome to GTI Spindle Technology. Again, we're doing a very special introduction video of our brand new balancing machine called BalancePro. Many of the videos you may have seen have already encompassed the introduction and birth of our vibration analysis system on the iPad and our portable balancing system on the iPad platform. Today we're here to introduce our new balancing system behind me, which is also run by software and app on the iPad platform. And we're going to show what the advantages of that and exactly how the whole machine works. So I'll first here show you our software called BalancePro and open it quickly. And you'll see we have several different options that run the balancer. The most important is the two-plane balancing for spindle shafts, gyros, turbochargers, basically anything you can fit on the stanchions up to close to 100 pounds on this particular machine, which will have different size machines coming out as well. And real quickly, I'm just going to run the software and run the machine. We're spinning this rotor approximately 1300 RPM, and you can quickly see in my polar plot, I quickly see where the heavy spot is. And one particular advantage of our machine is we can actually see the spectrum very clearly so that we can see 1 times running speed and know that our setup is proper. Many balancing machines out there that we've owned before, we're unable, until we put the actual shaft into a spindle, we're unable to know whether we did a good balance because we cannot see this 1 times running speed. So everything is running live here. Our polar plot, our spectrum, and our tach speed is all running live while we're taking our first balance samples. Quickly on the machine, it's a two-plane soft bearing balancing system controlled by a DC motor, so we can run very, very slow speeds and accurate speeds. It's got run and brake, reverse if we want to run in a different direction. Also enables all the stanchions to move both for height, different widths, and different bearing size levels, etc. And of course your belt tensioning device is pretty atypical of your balancing machines. Okay, GTI wants to point out one other particular attribute to this system. One of the things we tried to achieve is to be very, very modular. So as you can see behind me, I can take this key, insert it into the balancing machine, turn the knob, and I can pull my iPad out. What that allows me to do is go into another application such as VibePro, bring out our next modular case, which is our original vibration DAQ box and protective case. I can then plug in my dock port, and this, now I've got an accelerometer. I can do vibration analysis on different assets around the facility. I can do some on-site balancing, temperature measuring, depending on what I'm using my DAQ for. But it can go from the balancing machine to also be a full vibration analysis setup. So a shop that needs all the different tools, our system is modular and able to do that. Okay, as a final wrap up here from GTI, we'd like to let you know that this system can be priced by getting a hold of us on the web at www.gtispindle.com, or we have several other systems that we're going to adapt this electronics platform to, which will encompass this 100-pound unit all the way up to several thousand pounds. So depending on your balancing needs. Now also, if you have an older balancer that the electronics are not quite up to sophistication of today's level of the reporting and everything else we can do with this platform, you can call us for a quote and we can adapt this system to your current stanchions.